Hello everyone, welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Ania Kolbuszewska and my workshop is about creativity in the EFL classroom. As teachers, we strive to make our teaching as effective as possible, but we also want to make it interesting, engaging and creative so that our learners have a rich, varied and fascinating experience when learning English. This is why creativity is so important in the EFL classroom. The creative process is not something that just happens, that only some people have mastered, and that is not accessible to everyone else. In fact, creativity is a process which can be analysed and replicated in many different situations. It's also a skill, and as such, it can be learned and improved through practice. In this very practical session, we will be examining the creative process with a view to finding practical tips for working with students, for improving our creativity, as well as our students' creativity. This will help us make the teaching process much more student-centered and to meet our students' needs much better.